from Charlie. Shot passing game going on. Oh, again a chance. Can he convert? Three pace shot comes in. And that's the goal number one for Mon. The entire stadium is bursting in joy. It's KONYAK who scores the goal for the Mon side. The scoreline stands 2-0. 1-1, and it's an early moment shocker of the defending champions. That's what the defense splitting through, and from there, the sprint that KONYAK took. It's a lovely touch and then a lovely conversion. Now they are leading the game by 1-0 margin. And now again, KONYAK. You can see him. That was a right-footed conversion. Goalkeeper. He gave a full drive, tried to narrow down the angle, but it wasn't successful in the case.
ढूंढना पड़ेगा वहां से